Hello friends, welcome to this course on how do we write an essay. Generally an essay would come in a lot of examinations, for example for bank, for SSC and even for IAS, but the passage is longer term for IAS. But the basic approach for writing an essay remains the same. So today we are going to discuss as to how you can structure an essay and how you can write an essay by the use of arguments and counter arguments. So my name is Vishal Arora and I have been teaching verbal for competitive examinations like CAT, GMAT, SAT, ielts, TOEFL for the last 12 years. I am an IELTS, TOEIC and TFL certified trainer, and I have got a novel of mine which is known as Mad Dog Rights, which is available on all major platforms. So you can go ahead and buy it if you want to. Uh, so now the objective of this course. The objective of this course is to understand the first objective of this course is to understand the format of an essay for examinations like bank, SC, and CGA. Then we'll learn as to how to write an essay as per the standards that are required. Then we'll understand how do you structure an essay. Then we'll talk about as to how these exams are different from other essay examinations. And then to know the do's and don'ts. That what you should do and what you should not do. This is what is the course objective is. So the marks could be different. It could be 25 marks, 50 marks, 100 marks, right? And sometimes there's an essay and there's a letter. The essay is around 250 to 300 words, and the timing giving are around 30 minutes to 60 minutes for the same. So, why essay? Why would an examiner would want you to write an essay? Right? What are they looking at? What are they checking when they are asking you to write an essay? Right? So first they are checking your thought formation skills, right? As to how you can analytically thought and format your topic into different parts and how you can structure it. So basically, test your skills of analysis. Then they want to test your application of language, right? So they want to know as to how well versed you are in the language part, right? So they want to check your language skills. Then they want to check your writing skills in terms of that can you write what you're thinking in a proper format, right? Then they want to test your GK, right? They want to test your awareness. They want to test your depth of knowledge. They want to know how aware you are of the latest what is going on in the world or in India, right? And then they want to test the application of that knowledge. You may have a lot of data with you may have a lot of skills with you, but how do you apply that to a essay, writing an essay? That is what they are looking at, application of knowledge, right? So that is the reason why a lot of examinations have essay writing in their format. So what is expected of you? What is expected when you are writing an essay? First of all, what is expected is that the language, that the thought process, it should be coherent and logical, right? You should be able to structure an essay in a way which looks coherent, where the points they flow logically from one to another seamlessly. Then they're looking at clarity and depth of knowledge, right? That how thought your how deep your thought goes and how clear that is. Then they're looking at language which is uncluttered, right? Simple language which gives the idea very clearly. Then they're looking at ease of understanding, right? That how do you write an essay which is not very confusing, and it should be easily understandable. Then they're looking at grammar. That should be grammatically it should be error free. And then they're looking at how you have analyzed and presented the topic in what way. This is what they're looking at. So types of topic. Now the topic could be on any relevant topic, right? And it is not necessarily that since it is a banking examination, so it should be coming from from financial sector only. A topic would not be data dependent, right? That is the point is that they would not give you a topic where you would be required to furnish data. They don't want you to be a machine where you have a data in your head, right? So that is not required. So, for example, these are the different topics which have come on previous years, right? Like ethical problem of e-commerce, over dependence on monsoon, enslavement of man by technology, benefits of mutual fund investment, the viability of the presidential form of government, future of banking industry, pros and cons of allowing 10-year-old to open accounts. So there are the various topics which have come in the last years, right? So topic could be coming from anywhere.